Sure guys, we come back to Speaker now. I'm still a boy Taylor DJ. So today ngifuna ucomment la khona article ngibonile ukuthi uLinda Sibiya uzoyenza i-Song of the Year laphana i-countdown i-Song of the Year laphana eGagasini FM because beke ngamuzwe radio ngimlalele laphana last week ube guest show lenzo Felix Hlophe benominate Ntuli yana ibizwa ngeuprising so ube khona for the whole weekend ubenza lama features akhe ayowenza esesokhosini uze wa invite no Pastor Zondo laphana so nje be interesting le nto eyenziwe eGagasi. I hope ikhona i-future plan abayenza mhlawumbe bemsayine laphana because I think benga challenge kakhulu ukhoze FM and ngaba exciting futhi nabalaleli mhlawumbe bemthatha uLinda because I think since aphume radio nayo umuntu okazi ukumreplace because uMr Magic like yo impact yakhe lapha radio indlela nje introduce ama music nendlela nje akasakaza ngayo I think namanje asikabi nayo lo muntu ovane so sikhanda sakhe so eGagasi abantu bemthathele imidlalisa kanje I think kusizini radio elandelayo mhlawumbe kumele bemnezi show ndeni sobona ukuthi kuzothina and I think izobanyazisa kakhulu abantu bokhozi especially le Song of the Year because abantu abaningi le Song of the Year ukhozi FM abasayilaleli ngoba vele sihlezi kunophiciliqi laphana kunokudlala ama-adverts i-insurance nango-12 abonje kule minyaka emidlule baflophe kakhulu kwi-Song of the Year so iGagasi line-top 100 kilo nayo so because ne-top 10 so uLinda Sibiya uzobe hosting noFelix laphana noSel Beyonce bezovala unyaka so I think nje iGagasi lizama ufaka isandla emehlweni kuKhozi FM because babagcwalisela ngabasazi but mina I hope le nto yabo izoba official because I think indlela iGagasi elikhula ngayo libe li-provincial ukhozi national indlela nje abakhompyutha ngayo KZN I think interesting for and iGagasi ngoba ibrand abasebebambeka ngaphi because iGagasi lisomntwana kakhulu ukhozi kudala laba khona so I think kumele benyakazisa kanje ukhozi bazogena kakhulu abalaleli bokhozi belobeza ngapha because vele ukhozi ilona inabalaleli abaningi le not even eSouth Africa eAfrica so I think it interesting leyo but I'm able to use Mr Magic esemoyeni because I don't think ukhona umuntu okethinta imakhi ebe relevant like njengoLinda especially kulabantu abayiyouth because uLinda into special ngawo wazi ukubalansisa kulabantu abadala iphinde ibalansisa kulabo abayiyouth that's why even the show yakhe le i-segment yakhe le motivation ayibale ngalendlela because uLinda Sibiya uyawazi ukumotivate abantu abasabancane because abantu abaningi motivation abafuna abayithatha serious abantu abaningi but abantu abaningi bayidinga motivation especially right now kwi-economy la semzansi la ngenamsebenzi khona abantu bayidinga ngempela ithemba so I think nje uMr Magic emoyeni kungibusela ithemba ukuthi iGagasi mhlawumbe izoyenza something mhlawumbe nje off topic another thing I think babengayi-add ukhozi banyazisa ngempela uma bengakabe add ishow kaMaskandi befaka uMaskandi ku playlist because uMaskandi already wona music uhamba phambili ngama-sales so angi-understand wabe lo besiyabhona eGagasi bengafuna ukuthatha uMaskandi befaka playlist bangathatha wona bewufake mhlawumbe bethathe nanohlanya lakithi ungizwe umculo bemnikeza ishow hayi singavele sikhale ngempela but anyway sikhona ku Twitter @speaker nawe sikhona TikTok @speaker nawe sikhona na ku Twitch @speaker nawe we out